We all love food. It's a big part of our lives. But some foods are better for us than others. Today we're talking about two very different ways of eating, the keto diet and fast food. Which one is the winner? Let's find out. We'll look at the good and the bad sides of both. We'll see how they affect our bodies. And we'll learn how to make smart choices for a healthier life. Get ready for the ultimate food showdown. It's time to dive into the details. Stay tuned as we explore the pros and cons. Let's embark on this delicious journey together. Let's be honest, we've all been there. It's a common scenario in our fast-paced lives. You're in a rush, you're starving, and that fast food joint is calling your name. It's quick, it's easy, and it tastes so good. But is it really a treat? Fast food is often loaded with calories, unhealthy fats, and sugar. It's okay once in a while, but too much can be bad for your health. Try incorporating more home-cooked meals into your diet. Remember, it's all about balance. Enjoy your favorite fast food in moderation. But what makes fast food so irresistible? It's the convenience, the taste, and the marketing. These places are designed to draw you in and keep you coming back for more. And while it might satisfy your cravings momentarily, it often leaves you feeling guilty afterward. Experts suggest that understanding what you're eating can help you make better choices. So next time, take a moment to think about what you're putting into your body. Preparing meals at home can be just as satisfying and much healthier. Plus, it can be a great way to bond with family and friends. So while fast food can be a guilty pleasure, remember to enjoy it in moderation and balance it with healthier choices. Now let's talk about the keto diet. Don't be scared by the fancy name. It's actually a simple way of eating that focuses on real whole foods. The keto diet is all about cutting back on carbs and increasing healthy fats. When you eat keto, your body starts burning fat for energy instead of carbs. This can lead to weight loss, increased energy levels, and even improvements in your overall health. Think of it like switching your body's fuel source from sugary drinks to a high-performance battery pack. And the best part? You can still enjoy delicious meals and treats. With a little planning, you can find keto-friendly options almost anywhere. Meal prepping can make sticking to the keto diet even easier. So, if you're looking for a way to boost your energy and improve your health, keto might just be the answer. How do keto and fast food stack up? Let's dive into their impact on health and lifestyle. Fast food, high in calories, unhealthy fats, sugar, and sodium. Tasty and convenient, but with hidden costs. Low in nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Can lead to weight gain and health problems. Keto diet. Focuses on whole, unprocessed foods like vegetables, meats, and healthy fats. Can help with weight loss, boost energy, and improve health markers. Fast food offers a quick fix but can harm your health in the long run. The keto diet is a sustainable way of eating that nourishes your body. Fast food is loaded with empty calories, while the keto diet is rich in essential nutrients. The choice between fast food and a keto diet comes down to your health goals and lifestyle preferences. The keto diet has been a game changer for many. It's not just a trend, it's a lifestyle with real, tangible results. People have transformed their lives with keto. From shedding pounds to feeling more energetic, the benefits are remarkable. One woman felt defeated by her weight, having tried every diet imaginable with no success. She was on the verge of giving up. After switching to keto, she lost over 100 pounds and regained control of her health. Her story is just one of many. These stories prove the keto diet can be a powerful tool for positive change. Consider giving keto a try. You might just find the results you've been looking for. Remember, it's not just about losing weight. It's about feeling better and living a healthier life. Keto can help you achieve that. Section 6. The long game keto for the win. We've all heard the saying, "You are what you eat," and it's true. The food we consume directly impacts our health and well-being. Consistently choosing fast food can lead to long-term health problems like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain cancers. The keto diet, on the other hand, is a sustainable way of eating that can promote longevity and vitality. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods and healthy fats, you're providing your body with the building blocks it needs to thrive for years to come. Section 7. Keto myths busted. There's a lot of misinformation out there about the keto diet. Some people think it's too restrictive, or that it's unhealthy to cut out entire food groups. But that's simply not true. The keto diet is all about making smart swaps. You're not depriving yourself. You're simply choosing nutrient-rich, satisfying foods that keep you feeling your best. And with a little creativity, you can enjoy delicious and satisfying meals without feeling deprived. Section 8. Your health, your choice. At the end of the day, the choice is yours. You can continue reaching for quick fixes that may harm your health in the long run, or you can choose a sustainable path that nourishes your body and mind. The keto diet is not a magic bullet. It takes commitment and effort. But the potential rewards, improved health, increased energy, and a renewed sense of well-being, make it a journey worth taking. Section 9. Ready to go. Keto. If you're ready to ditch the drive-thru and embrace a healthier lifestyle, the keto diet might be right for you. Start by doing your research and talking to your doctor to see if it's a good fit for your individual needs. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating more whole foods into your diet and gradually reducing processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. With a little effort and consistency, you can achieve incredible results and live your healthiest life yet. Pause 3S. Welcome to our segment on the benefits and challenges of the keto diet. Whether you're a keto newbie or a seasoned pro, this part is packed with valuable insights. Pause 2S. Let's hear from nutritionist Dr. Emily Carter. Pause 1S. The keto diet can be a game changer. It promotes fat loss, boosts energy, and improves mental clarity. Be aware of challenges like the keto flu and maintaining electrolyte balance. Pause 2S. Now let's listen to Sarah's transformation story. Pause 1S. I lost 25 pounds in 3 months and my energy levels soared. The initial transition was tough but worth it. Pause 2S. Lastly, expert chef Mark shares his tips. Pause 1S. Focus on variety. Experiment with herbs, spices, and different cooking methods. Pause 2S. So there you have it, expert opinions and real-life success stories. Pause 1S. Educate yourself, seek professional advice, and stay committed to your health goals. Pause 3S. Ready to take the plunge? Your keto journey awaits. Welcome to our Keto Kitchen Creations. Pause 2S. Today we'll explore some delicious keto recipes you can easily prepare at home. Pause 1S. First, a mouth-watering keto avocado egg salad. Pause 1S. You'll need ripe avocados, hard-boiled eggs, mayonnaise, mustard, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Pause 1S. Simply mash the avocados, chop the eggs, and mix all the ingredients together. Pause 1S. This salad is creamy, delicious, and rich in healthy fats and proteins. Pause 1S. Next, keto zucchini noodles with pesto. Pause 1S. You'll need fresh zucchini, pesto, cherry tomatoes, and Parmesan cheese. Pause 1S. Spiralize the zucchini, toss with pesto, and top with tomatoes and Parmesan. Pause 1S. This dish is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Pause 1S. Lastly, keto chocolate avocado mousse. Pause 1S. Blend ripe avocados, cocoa powder, a low-carb sweetener, and vanilla extract until smooth. Pause 1S. This dessert is delicious and rich in healthy fats and antioxidants. Pause 1S. So there you have it, 3 easy and delicious keto recipes to try at home. Pause 1S. Happy cooking! In conclusion, let's summarize the key points we've discussed about the keto diet. Pause 2S. The keto diet focuses on high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carb foods, which can help you achieve weight loss, better energy levels, and improved mental clarity. Pause 2S. We've explored how keto-friendly foods can be delicious and satisfying, and how they compare to traditional high-carb options. Pause 2S. Remember, the key to success with keto is to plan your meals, stay hydrated, and monitor your macronutrient intake. Pause 2S. If you're considering starting the keto diet, start by gradually reducing your carb intake and increasing your healthy fats. Pause 2S. Make sure to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's the right choice for you. Pause 2S. And now, as promised, we have a special Q&A session with a nutritionist to address some of the most common questions about the keto diet. Pause 2S. Stay tuned and get ready to have your questions answered.